Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and from the video title you know that this is an Ikea video. This is the first time I actually came to Ikea Bangalore. This is located in Nagasandra. This is a little bit far from like Whitefield and those stuff, but there is a metro station which is like directly you can enter Ikea from that metro station, Nagasandra station, so you can avail via metro as well. And this was shot actually long back. It was in June this year, and you can see it is quite crowded. It was a Sunday, but anyway, let me show you how it is. So basically there are like two floors in Ikea. So the top floor, like the one that I'm in right now, there are multiple sections, like 20 or 25 sections. Each is like a living room, kitchen, bathroom, and they have set up everything there properly. You can see the stuff, you can see the prices, but you cannot buy from here. You have to like take a picture of the tags whichever you want, and you have to buy it separately in a different section. So this is just to see how the place is, like what the products are, and it looks nice, you know, if you can see it properly staged. So for example, like this is the kitchen area, everything is properly set, all the cutleries and everything is there with the price tags and everything. Some prices I would say are affordable, and some are little bit on the higher end side, but overall, like if you think that Ikea is very costly, it is not. It is like definitely within range, like because the same stuff you will get at like a furniture store, a good furniture store, or in Amazon at the same price, almost the same price. A local furniture store obviously will be much lesser, but overall it is not that pricey. You can get this cute plants as well. So these are like $3.99. There are some small plants as well. You can get like original, like actual plants, or fake plants as well. I have actually a set of 3 fake plants at 199 rupees, I guess. And anyway, this is like the sofa area. So you can see like that 3-door sofa is 20,000. There are like multiple ranges, like you can get within like 15,000, you can get within like 1 lakh. It's up to your budget. For example, this sofa actually is 1,20,000. You can see this is a big sofa, but the price is obviously quite high. This is like my brother, by the way. We were just so tired, like you have to walk a lot. This also, just keep that in mind, you have to walk a lot, but there are like a lot of sofa and beds, so you can definitely go and rest in between. Try to come on a weekday. I actually have visited Ikea just some days back. It was a weekday at morning, like I went around 11. It was totally empty. Now that I think about it, I think I should have filmed that video on that second day, but anyway, I have already filmed it. And there is separate like kids room as well, so you can see different stuff for kids which were like so cute. And other than that, like there are like also, you know, TV cabinets. This is like the dining area, which is like priced at 39,000. There are separate like the light bulbs and everything is also there. That was also like I wouldn't say like too costly. It is like 3,000 and it looks really nice. I actually really liked this lamppost. This was around 3,000 rupees. I was planning on getting this one, but ultimately I didn't anyway. And this is like a table set. This is for 3,090 rupees. There are also different work desk as well. This is like a normal table, but you can get different type of tables as well. The quality, I would say it's nice. And sometimes Ikea gives sale. I think the next sale might be on January, so you can definitely check it on that time as well. And you can see there are different type of tables. Like this one actually is you can pull and make it bigger, or you can keep it as a smaller table as well. And if you have seen my IKEA haul, I have already showed this. These are just ₹99. They are like cup sets, plate sets, and these things actually it's better to go downstairs and buy it out. I will show it in this video as well. But anyway, here you are just trying to look at the stuff, what all stuff is there, the prices, and just those. So I actually was planning to get a drawer set of this for my makeup and skincare collection. So this one is a little bit bigger, and obviously the price is more than the other one. But I actually wanted a drawer similar to the one that I'm showing right now, and the price is also quite nice. I would say like 3,490 rupees. But the only problem was that the width was very, like the height of each of the drawers were very small, so you can keep only small objects there, but there are different sizes. We are now at the workspace area. You can see there are different like racks or tables that you can use as a work desk as well. The price you can see, like it's like 12,000, 13,000. There are different prices. Next is the Almirah section. So this is 75,000, and again I actually have bought an Almirah from IKEA, I think this year, at starting from IKEA Hyderabad, and that is quite nice. But the only thing is it comes totally in shambles. Like it is not possible for you to assemble it by yourself. You have to ask someone to assemble it. So there is actually an option in Urban Clap that you can order people to assemble your IKEA pieces. So we did that, and I think that costed, like for a 3-door Almirah, it costed in Urban Clap around 1,800 or I think like 1,600 rupees. Next is the kids bed. There are so many cute beds for kids. Like I wish when we were younger we had the option to get this type of beds. But anyway, the kids section is quite nice. There are a whole lot of stuff for kids as well. The food in IKEA is quite famous, but you can see the line. It was so crowded. We were hungry, but seeing the line, like obviously it will take a lot of time. We decided that it's better not to have food here. We will just go outside and have something else. But anyway, this is how, like there are different, like you can have like pastries and stuff. I think I have done a short. I will add it in the link description below. You can see like what all we had there. And this is the marketplace area. This is actually the place from where you can get the stuff and the trolley and buy things from here. And for example, like I actually have this mug set. This is priced just at ₹99 for 5 mugs, and there are different color options. There are also like some plates as well. There are spoons. I actually have done an IKEA haul. I will leave in the description below. You can definitely check it out. But here I would say the prices are not bad. Also the quality is good. I have been using the stuff, like some of the stuff from IKEA. It's quite nice. And if you're planning for Christmas tree decoration, it's here as well. So this is the self furniture area. I think I can probably get lost here. It's just too much and too big. Anything, we are just going to a mall right now. And that's it for the video, guys. I have tried to show most of the stuff that I could in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Check the link in the description below. Bye.